Welcome to Baufritz. I'm Dagmar Fritz Kramer and I'm the granddaughter of the founder, Sylvester Fritz. We were founded in 1896. We're based in Erkheim, in Allgäu, in Bavaria, and we have about 400 employees who mainly live here. We're still family owned and really proud that most of our employees come from here. Often the kids start to work here when they come from school, and they still live here when they're fathers, and maybe they still work with us when they're grandfathers. To make the work-life balance work, we also offer home offices. We have our own children's nursery here in the complex. We're also really proud of our high women's rate in the company. We have about 30% women, and they're really skilled carpenters and all workers on site, so that the quality of the houses is high. We are keen on building well-designed and eco-friendly houses. Take a look around and see what we do.
So here we are at the factory, producing up to 200 houses a year. These buildings are built with our own machines, and they're built to the highest sustainable standards. Baufritz is an eco-pioneer. We started more than 40 years ago to produce healthy homes. Homes that are good for you and for the environment, that are made purely of natural building materials. We work in 2 shifts in a factory which is completely glazed, so that the craftsmen are always connected with the outside, which is very important for the well-being of the workers and also for the quality of the craftsmanship that we produce. The materials that we use here in the factory are predominantly timber for the frame, for the insulation material, and partly for the boarding. It's based on the way buildings were produced a long time ago, but with the help of machines we can produce houses that are completely bespoke. So here we are in the part of the factory where we produce ceiling elements and roof elements. On this part the production starts. We lay out all the joists onto this table and create frames. And those frames will be boarded with natural gypsum boarding here. And all the offcuts that we produce are immediately recycled in various recycling stations. So this machine here is the heart of our production. This is where we cut all of the joists and rafters and pieces of timber that we need. Prefabricating a building creates a large jigsaw puzzle, and you need to have absolute order in order to assemble it correctly. Once we have gone through the whole process of constructing these elements in the factory, we package them securely on transport crates and shrink wrap them for a secure transport to wherever you are. So here you can see a whole house ready to be delivered to the UK. We need about 7 or 8 trucks to deliver a house and 3 days to assemble the shell and make it watertight. After that, we can start with the interior finishing work and fit all the finishes and fittings that you have already selected in our design center. So here we are in the design center. You can find everything that belongs inside of a house. Of course, you can try everything as well. You want to know how these taps work, or especially in the shower. So we have this display here where you can actually try shower fittings. We display 4 different styles of exterior and interior finish. Here we have a kitchen area and a different ceiling arrangement. So our selection of finishes, fixtures and fittings should help our customers to define what their new house should look like. It should also enable us to find out what our customers want and how to best collaborate, realizing the new dream house. As the final part of the tour, you will see 3 of our show houses that we have built on site, completely finished with all the fixtures, fittings and finishes. And this could be an idea what your house could look like. If you want to learn more about Baufritz, please come and visit our website and make an appointment to see us here in Erkheim and enjoy a tour through the factory, which is open for everyone who is interested to see the way Baufritz builds, which is unique and truly different. Thank you very much.